These are some pay packages. Because of Python, you can always upgrade your skills and have, a normal software engineer may be getting somewhere around 1 lakh. So you may get better opportunities by having experience with Python, or enhancing your skills. Like, see, understand one thing. There are many people, they may say that, okay, what's the current scenario, what will happen tomorrow because of this COVID, everything is going to change. But understand one very important thing. There are lots of crises like this. When I was passed out, we had a crisis of 2008. I was passed out in 2006, and after 2 years there was this crisis of 2008, and there was a huge slowdown and all those stuff. What I learned from this is, if we persist, if we upgrade ourselves, there are always opportunities if we keep on practicing things. So this kind of exercise is done so that you improve yourself. You know uh, it's like you upgrade yourself, you get better opportunities. You can go and have better things when you upgrade yourself. Okay, so right now, the situation is, stay where you are. At the same time, upgrade, keep on upgrading, and make a niche, make something special of your side. Like, maybe you're animation engineer, so add Python to it. Or maybe you're backend engineer, add Python to yourself. You're a developer, add Python to yourself. Everywhere, like everywhere, you can have this skill as a extra thing, and that will obviously evaluate into a better opportunity. Next, please.